Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of WriterGPT. Today in this video we are going to learn about Joomla integration, how to integrate Joomla with WriterGPT and publish your article from WriterGPT to Joomla. So first of all we need to click on connect, and here we will see these how to guide. If it's not enabled you can click it here and it will be shown here. So we need to log into Joomla admin. I have already logged into my CCP panel, which is Joomla control panel of Joomla, and you can view your website from here as well. This is our website. We haven't done any designs or something. This is just for testing purpose. So now we need to click on manage. From here we can see the login dashboard of our website. So what this guide say: open edit account and then navigate to user menu and profile icon. Then here you will see the option of API tab. So it's simple. Let's see if it's opened. Yes. So now we need to click on application, log into Joomla. We need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so we are here. Now we need to click on user menu, edit account, and from here we need to go to Joomla API token and copy token from here. So this is our API. We need to paste it here. And now the second step, which is Joomla site URL. We can simply find this URL. This is our site URL, or this one. So we are on the API tab, so I will copy URL from here and paste it here. Now the final step is to choose category. So we need to create categories and we need to show categories here. So I have created some category. We need to go to content, categories, and I have already created a category which is name test. So I am entering it here, save and connect. Okay, so it's connected. Now we need to go to my articles tab, and now we can select any of article. We can simply go to publishing, Joomla, and publish. So it will take only few seconds to publish our article. Okay, it's published successfully. Now we need to go to our Joomla site. From here, actually this site is not live, so we are not able to see the content here, but we can go to articles tab to confirm the data. Okay, so here it is, favorite food of Johnstown. So it is published. We can preview this article from here. This is the article content. You can preview it from here as well. This is how it will look on the site. Okay, so it's a simple step. Now we can publish as much as bulk articles from WriterGPT to Joomla. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and keep supporting, keep writing, keep using WriterGPT. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.